So good afternoon all the dear students. So let's start a new lesson in English, and the topic name is wit in the garden. Okay, wit in the garden. Now what is the meaning of that wit? Now wit, that means that unwanted plants, that useless and harmful plants that we don't want to need it, so we should remove out from the garden or from the garden or from the field. That is said a wit in the garden. That is said the wit in the garden. Okay, so in this lesson, what we'll see, actually what will we see, that parents taught their children to utilize and to grasp a good habits in their day-to-day life while giving the example of the wits in the garden. While giving the example of the wits in the garden. And what is the meaning of the wit? Wit means is that unwanted plants, that it means a harmful and unwanted plants, if it is grow in the garden, that you should be removed out from the garden or from the field, because the harmful plants can affect to the other plants also, and they can destroy the good and healthy plants also, and it will defect our humans, and it will defect to the humans also. They spread the bad pollution. All right, they spread the bad pollution. That's the reason we removed out the unwanted plants. That means the weeds in the garden. Okay, weeds in the garden. Now let us see further. Now, wet means what? A wild plants. You can say a wild plants growing where it is not wanted. In most cases, garden weeds grow from seeds that has been transported by birds and insects. Okay, it has been transported by birds and insects, because there are some insects and birds, they can brought very germs affected seeds, so they can throw on the garden. When they throw on the garden, and if the seeds get the soil and the proper water, so directly automatically the plant should start to grow slowly. But that was a insected seed, that was not a good seed. So if a not good seed is there and they start to grow the plant, so definitely the plants is also not a healthier plants. So it will be a germ affected plants, and it will affect to the all other plants also. So that's the reason we have to do the weed in the garden. Weed, that means removed out that unwanted plants. Okay. Now let's see next. Now see here. Now in this lesson, most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. Okay. Each and every parents like to fulfill their children's wishes, whatever their desire. Okay. They fulfill their demand. They give each and everything whatever needed for their day-to-day life. Can very upset when they cannot indulge. Indulge, that means that you are doing something that which is not good for us. You are doing something which is not good for us, but then too you are like to do. So it is called a indulge. Okay. So if the kids are doing indulge, or when they are have to scold them, when the parents are scold them because they are doing whatever they like to do, whether it is good, whether it is bad, they are not thinking, but they are doing like that way. So when the parents scold them, at that time parents feel so sad and very sorry for them. But when a scolding has no effect, because the parents are scolding, but then too there is a no effect, so they feel very sad. They feel very sad and upset also, because they give a good moral values. They taught a children a good habits. They taught them values. They gave them whatever they needed, like a new dresses, like a books, education, playing toys, whatever the child needed, they fulfill each and every demand. But in return, what the parents needed, the children should be follow the rules and regulation, admire the moral values, and follow what the good things, what the good habits they should follow, that only. Okay, but somewhere the children are not listening to their parents. They are not listening to their parents. Even the parents are scolding them, even the parents are taught them 100 times, but then too there is a no effect and there is a no changes in the children. They are doing what they like to do, but they are not thinking but whether it is good for us or whether it is bad for us, but they are doing what they like to us. All right. So so the same thing is happened with the unshuman parents also, because somewhere the unshuman is goes to the admire to the wrong habit. So the parents want to teach to the unshuman to utilize and to grab the good habits, but unshuman don't want to listen to their parents. Now let us see. Now let us see next. Now then after what happened? Now as an Anshuman, he do whatever he likes to do. Okay. But the parents taught him good or bad habits, but he don't want to listen to their parents. Anshuman parents had noticed that he was developing with some bad habits. As I told you before, that the child was developing with some bad habits. Okay. Naturally, they began to warn him time to time. Warn means what? Warn means that to advise, not to do something. Okay, not to do something. So he warned him, he gave him time. Okay, but all in vain. All in vain, that means all, once again, all in vain, that means there is a no success. There is a no success because the parents try to harder Anshuman to explain that you are doing something a wrong bad habit which is not good for you. Okay, when you become an elder, so this, when you become an elder, so this bad habit, it is continuously yours, long lasting. Okay, so it is long lasting, so you have to avoid such bad habits. But Anshuman don't want to listen to their parents. So parents explain to the children so much, but there is a no success because Anshuman don't want to be listened, and he refused to believe what their parents are saying. So he letting those bad habits and get hold over him, get over him. Gentle words, strict warnings, scolding now and then. They are using each and everything. Parents are using each and everything. They are using a polite words, gentle words, warning, scolding, each and every. They are using all the tricks. But then too, there is a no changes in the Anshuman. Okay. And then after his parents become very tired, everything short of beating him. So they are started to beating him also. They give the punishment also. But then also there is a no changes. Okay, they themselves very become unhappy because they thought that we are not a good parents. They are thought we are not a good parents. We are not give a proper values to our children because he is not obey to us, he is not listening to us, he is not respect our words and our values. Okay, so the parents was feel unhappy, and they feel very unhappy because of the children's misbehavior. Okay, they, they want to be correct their son, they want to be correct their son, they want to be the son should be go in a good way. They have to choose a good way, not a, they choose a good way, not a wrong way. Okay, so the parents try harder and harder to teach Anshuman a good lesson, to teach Anshuman a good lesson. Now they want to be teach Anshuman a good lesson, so they thought we will do some we will use some new way. Okay, a new tricks we have to use. So what happened? So there is a one opportunity. What's that opportunity? That Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather farms with his parents. Okay, so they visit to their grandfather farms, and they visit over there with his family. So early in the morning, the father took him for a walk. Him, that means Anshuman. So the father and Anshuman, they go for a long walk around the farm. Okay, and the father was showing the farm fields and explain each and everything. See, this is the crops, this is the plants. We are doing the work on the field and how it's going on. Each and everything the father explained to the Anshuman, and he was start to describing the specialities of various plants, vines and bushes. Okay, so here vines means what? Vines means a plants that grabs grow on, that is the vines. Okay, and what is about the bushes? Bushes, that means a mixed plant growth attached with stem. Okay, there is a lots of grasses or the uh, grasses or plants, you can say, they are together itself and they attach to the plant stem, so that is called the bushes. Okay, so while see all this greenery scene, the Anshumans feel so happy. Okay, Anshuman feels so happy. So suddenly he stopped and pointed at a small seedling. Okay, seedling, you can say a seed. Any whatever fruit you are eating, inside the fruit you can observe the seeds are there. So, and if that seed, uh, if you dug under the ground, if you dip under the ground, that we called a seedling. Okay, and why we do a seedling? Because after few days, when you give a proper water, through that seedling you can observe a little bit plant should grow, a little bit plant should grow. Okay, so that we set a seedling. So they observe a point, a seedling, it is growing near a plant. Anshuman, that's a weed, can you pull it out? Who said this? Anshuman father is saying that this is the weed, can you pull it out? Pull it out, that means can you remove it out? Okay, so Anshuman removed it without any difficulty, and it's removed very easily because it was a small seedling. Okay, so why his father is said that pull it out, that removed out that seedling, because that seedling is affected by the germs. Okay, and it is not good at all because the seed is affected by the germs, and then after the plants is grow, the plants is also affected by the germs. It is called a dangerous plant, or whether it is a poisonous plant, and it is not good at all for the environment and for the human being. So that's the reason the father said removed out that seedling because it's not good. So when it removed out, so that time he said a weed in the garden, that means removed out the unwanted seeds or unwanted plants. So when they removed out, it is removed out very easily because it is a very small seedling. So the Anshuman removed very easily. Okay, so let's see what happened the next when it removed out. So then after when it removed out, so the father is appreciating it, said very good, you removed out very easily, said his father, and they continue their walk because they are taking the morning walk, so they continue their walk. Okay, so after a while, that means after some time, when they come upon the same way, okay, when they come the same place, okay, after a time, that means you can say a few days later, when they come the same way, that means the same seedling part, okay, where they removed out the seedling, but in the same place when they return back, what they observe over there, it had grown slightly bigger. That plants, it had grown slightly bigger. Okay, so again the Anshuman father told him to pull out this plant. Okay, now we have to pull out this plant. Now you people was saying that you have a question also, that the Anshuman, if removed out the seedling, so how the plant it should be grow? Why? Because student, The seedling, it should not be removed fully. Okay, you have to remove like a tress. Tress, that means you do not left a very small amount of piece. If a seedling piece, a very small amount of piece is also left over there in the soil, so it can, hence the plant should be start to grow. A very small amount of the seeds, if it is left over on the soil, so the plant, it should be grow. And the same thing is happen. The Anshuman is remove the seedling, but the small piece of the seedling, it is left over there on the ground. So when they come after a few days, they observe with the help of that small piece of seed, it grows there a plant. Okay, a small plant. There is a small plant, it should be grow. So while so this, again the Anshuman's father is saying, see, the plant is grow over there, and this plant is a dangerous plant, is a poisonous plant. Okay, and it is affected to us, and now it's slightly bigger also. So Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant. Okay, you should be pull out this plant because it is harmful to us. So now this time you have to pull out properly with the uproot the weed. Uproot, that means the, now it's not a small seedling, it is a proper plant. And when it's take a proper plant, the seed it's turned into a root. The seed it's turned into a root, and that root, it is, you can observe that root is below the ground. It is attached and it is below the ground. So that's the reason the father is saying, now you have to pull out this plant and you have to pull up the root. With the root, you have to pull out. You have to remove this plant, and this time you have to do properly. Not a single amount of piece of the plant you should be kept on the soil. If the single amount of plant it should be kept on the soil, so again the plant should be grow. And we don't need this kind of dangerous plants in our field. So carefully you have to pull it up. Okay, make sure that is a no trace of the root. As I told you student, a small amount of piece of the root, it should not be left over there in the soil. Otherwise the wheat can grow again. Otherwise the wheat can grow again. He warned. Warned, that means to advise. Okay, advise. If he gives someone to advise, that means a warn. Okay, you warning that not a single piece is left over in the soil. So you have to be removed properly and fully. Okay, otherwise it will grow again. Okay, so this advice given by the Anshuman father, that you have to be remove the plant, that small plant properly. Okay, that small plant properly. My the father is saying that you have to remove that because that is a unwanted and that is a dangerous plant. That's the reason. Now the Anshuman uprooted, okay, the plants carefully. He uprooted the plants carefully, twisting, twisting it, pulling it so harder. So now the Anshuman try to be pull it. Okay, so sometimes it's pull very strongly. It twist. Okay, so Anshuman try harder to remove the plants in a proper way. Okay, and the whole plants and the root should be removed out. So he do harder. Then his father drew his attention to the some same weed growing at some distance. There it had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and a dark fruit. All right. So again the father, it shows a different plant which is little bit a big with the tiny flowers and the dark fruit. Why you can say a dark fruit? Dark fruit because that it's a dangerous plant, that is a poison plant, so their flowers and their fruit is also unhealthy. That's the reason fathers is point out and say that you can see a little bit distance there is a one more plant, and that is also a wheat plant that we should be removed, but now it's little bit bigger, and in that plant there is a small flowers also and the dark fruits also, but it is unhealthy. It is not useful for us because if the seeds are poisonous, so the plants is also poisonous. and the plants is poisonous. So whatever the flowers and the fruits, it's come upon the tree, that also poisonous. So it is not good for our health and not good for the environment also. So what is the and work? So what we have to do? What is the major step we have to take? We have to weed the plant. That means we have to remove out from our garden because it is quite dangerous. So it is quite dangerous for us. So that is also we have to take it out. Who said this? Anshuman's father explained to the Anshuman that we have to remove all the germs affected seedling and all the dangerous plant, dangerous and poisonous plants which is not good for the environment as well as the human being. Now, what is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind it? Why the Anshuman father explain and give the command again and again that you have to remove all these things? Why the father is saying to him again and again all these things? Why? What is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? Okay, let me come to the conclusion now. Then after the Anshuman heard all the father is saying, okay, he heard all the father is saying that we have to weed all these dangerous plants and the seedling. So Anshuman held the plants in his hand, okay, and gave it a tug. Tug means what? Tug means what? That means you have to be make a small hole, okay, and it is try to remove out each and everything, and it is try to remove out, but it cannot be happen. The Anshuman, it's not a success. Tug, that means no success. It get not success because it not removed out because it was a little bit bigger plants. In that plant there is a fruits also, there is a plant also, so the Anshuman cannot remove out. The weight didn't move at all. That means that the dangerous plants, it cannot be moved at all. He pulled harder and harder, but he get no success. I can get it out. Anshuman is saying very tiredly and very sadly, he said, I can get it out. It is so hard, father. I can do this. It has gone so deep into the soil. The plant's roots, it's attached on the ground, below the ground. It's very deep. I can do it. So then, in this point, his father brought some those implements, or you can say those tools, which was used for the fielding in the farming. Okay, so the father is brought that implement. Okay, through that implement, okay, they dug around the wheat. Now, dug means what? Make a hole in the ground. They dug around the wheat, and with a great effort, they, they put their all the efforts and the hard work to pull it out the plants in a proper way with the fruit, with the with the root. Okay, and they don't want to be left over there a single piece of fruit, because as you know students, if a single piece of fruit is left over there, so again it was a start the planting over there, again it was grow over there. So that's the reason the father is saying, wait, I will brought the equipment, that means a tool, and with the help of that tools, I will make over hole there, and with the help of that hole, we can properly move, pull it out all the plants with their root. Okay, so they do all this work. Okay, now let's see what happened next. So they do all this the weeding work in the garden, all this weeding work. They observe in the garden whatever germs affected seedlings are there, they removed out. They observe the plants, if it's the dangerous and poison plants, they removed out. So in this point, when they are returning the home, while doing a lots of hard work, the Anshuman's father mentions something over here. Now, what the father is mentioned over here, the father is tell that, my dear child, the habits are like a weight. The habits are like a weight. The longer you kept the bad habits inside you, okay, the harder it is difficult to remove that bad habits from the uprooted. Yes, it is absolutely true, student. It is absolutely true. When you all are a small children, okay. So whatever habit now you utilize, okay, and you follow that habit, and in a proper time, you're not take it off, you're not change your habit, so it will your long lasting, it will your long lasting habit. And such kind of habit which is not good for your health, your future, or your mannerism, that kind of habit you must be changed. All right. So each and every good parents always taught to their children a good habits. And if a children follow a wrong path, wrong habit, so it is the duty of the parents to explain to their children. And what is the duty of the children? That they have to listen to their parents. What kind of guidance my parents want to give to me? Because each and every single parents want their child to become a good citizen, a good future citizen to this world. So that's the reason they build up a good habits from your childhood. They build up a good habits. They ensure you good habits. They teach you from your childhood, because when you are bringing from the childhood to elders that good habits, it's inside you and it was a long lasting forever for your life. Okay. So that's the reason the parents teach you what is a good thing, what is the wrong thing. If you if you utilize a good habit, okay, and you always do that only, always you do a good habits, so it was a long lasting till your elders, till your future. It was really wrong thing, it is not good at all. So what is your duty as a good child, as a good children? What is your duty? That you have to be obey your parents, you have to respect your parents decision. What they teach you, you have to be follow that, because each and every parents always thought a good thing to their children. Okay, so that's the reason the parents is saying it is wise to get rid of. Wise, that means it is a cleverness to rid of. That means free from, clear your bad habits. It is a clever decision. It is an intelligent decision, because when from the starting point, from the starting point only, if you removed out your bad habits, it is easier to remove from the bad habits. Because when the bad habits, when the bad habits inculcate to you, it take a long lasting, okay, it takes, so it was a very harder to remove out from that bad habits. Okay, so this is the examples is given that the weed of the garden. As you see, student, when there is a small seedling, a germ affected seedling, Anshuman removed out very easily, because that is a very small and very soon you can remove out. But when the germ affected seedling, it's big, growing and become a plant, there is a flowers, there is a fruits. So it is a quite difficult to remove out that dangerous plants from the root. It is a quite difficult and harder to do. So it's the same thing, this is the example, the same thing is happened in our childhood also, student. So I want to give here you suggestions, student. If you want to be make a friends, your friend circle is also be a healthy and a good environment friend circle. You learn a good thing from your friends, not a bad thing from your friends. Whatever your parents thought, you learn always that thing, because your parents always want a good for you, not a bad for you. All right. So Anshuman, at the last, the Anshuman realized the truth in his father's words. What the actually father wants to taught him. They want to taught him that the good lesson of the life, that always admire and ensures the good habits in our day-to-day life, because the good habits make you a good person and a good citizen, which is utilized for your long-lasting life student. So throughout his life, he never forgot the early morning walk on the farm with his father, because he get a moral values of his life, and he taught and he teach the lesson also. Okay, so here is our lesson is over, student. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson with in the garden. One second, wait. Now, see here, I'll make your list of good habits and the bad habits. Okay, student. Now, what is our good habits and what is our bad habits? Now you are a upgrowing children. So list out. There are some list of good habits like a wash and before eat, throw waste in bin, that means dustbin, helps your mummy while she's doing work, helps your father also. Be polite to others, covering your face while coughing and sneeze. Okay, so these kinds of good habits, students. But you can add up more good habits according to your age level, according to your standard level. You can add up more good habits. Now, here another columns you can observe there is a bad habits. Bad habits listed are fighting with others, playing on the roads, teasing others, playing too many video games, biting your nails. These are the bad habits. So students, you have to be list out your bad habits and try to reduce your bad habits in your day-to-day life. The number of bad habits, it must be goes on decreasing each and every day. And numbers of good habits, it must be increases each and every day. Alright. So you have to be such kinds of good habits you have to follow, and observe your bad habits and try to overcome your disability, your bad habits, and try to reduce your bad habits. Okay, dear students. So here our lesson is over and I'll show you the bad habits and the good habits. Okay, thank you everyone.